Comdata Mastercard 101, Comdata Mastercard debit card? Comdata Mastercard registered isn't a single card, but rather a brand encompassing various fleet card options offered by Comdata. They cater to different business needs and industries. Here's a breakdown of what Comdata Mastercard registered offers. General features *** fuel discounts and rebates ** earn rebates or discounts on fuel purchases, with options for nationwide acceptance or specific gas station networks, depending on the program. * expense management * manage your fleet spending with features like * setting spending limits per card. * tracking transactions by driver or vehicle. * generating reports to analyze fuel consumption and identify cost-saving opportunities. * wide acceptance * depending on the specific card program, you might get * nationwide acceptance at various gas stations. * acceptance only at specific gas station networks, example ExxonMobil, Shell. * Mastercard registered acceptance for other business purchases, varies by program. * security * features like PIN verification and real-time transaction monitoring help prevent unauthorized charges. Comdata Mastercard registered variations, examples * Comdata Truck Fleet Mastercard registered * designed for trucking companies, offering nationwide acceptance at truck stops and discounts on fuel, maintenance, and repair services. * Comdata Construction Mastercard registered * specifically for construction companies, with benefits like 2% cash back on building materials and up to 6 cents per gallon at the pump. Choosing the right Comdata Mastercard registered * Comdata offers various programs, so the best choice depends on your business needs. Consider these factors, * fleet size and type, trucks, cars, etc. * fueling habits, specific gas stations or nationwide. * desired features, rebates, wider acceptance, expense management tools. Alternatives to Comdata Mastercard registered * traditional fleet cards * offered by other companies, they might have similar features but potentially limited network acceptance. * gas station apps apps like GasBuddy can help find stations with the lowest prices, regardless of brand. * direct business accounts * certain gas station chains allow businesses to set up accounts for direct fueling with potential volume discounts. To find the right Comdata Mastercard registered program *** visit the Comdata website, https://www.iconnectdata.com/chth/controller?x function =sign login page and explore their fleet card solutions. * contact Comdata to discuss your specific needs and get a quote for a program that best fits your business.